Okay then, so let's do a little test flight with the Hubsan X4 H107C. I'm going to do a little test flight first in beginner mode. I've got my settings set to standard, so let's take it up and see how well we do. We've probably got 5 mile an hour winds with 10 mile an hour gusts, so let's see how well it does. That's in slow mode, going against the wind. As you can see, really quick little quadcopter. Having no problem whatsoever cutting through this wind. Very impressed. Now it is getting pushed a little bit by the wind, but still doing very well. For such a tiny little quadcopter, flies really well in this windy condition. Like I say, this is only in beginner mode. So the wind is pushing it a little bit, but it's doing okay. Very fun little quadcopter to fly. Okay, so let's bring it in for a landing. And then once you land it, it actually self-calibrates and balances itself again. So let's do that and then we'll put it in expert mode. Oh, nearly. Okay, so let's quickly try this in expert mode. So we'll click down on the controller. We've got it in expert mode there. So let's see how well it does now. Now this thing is quick. In expert mode, it's insanely quick. So as you can see there, and I'm not even full throttling it. It really is just such an insanely quick little quadcopter.